How to enable dark mode in IG application. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're using the IG trading app on your smartphone and you want to enable the dark mode in it, then the first thing to do is to open up the app on your device. Once you're inside the main homepage after logging into the app, go to the account button at the bottom right corner. Inside the account tab, scroll down and tap on settings. Under settings, if you scroll a bit down, you'll see the theme option. Just tap on it. Now choose the dark option under theme. Click on apply theme button at the bottom and there you have it. That is how you can enable the dark mode in IG trading application using your smartphone. Once enabled, you'll be redirected to the login page. You'll need to log in again and there you go. The dark mode helps reduce eye strain during trading, especially when checking charts at night. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.